Hello everyone. Now our first question here, 1a, we want to write 0.45 as a fraction in its lowest term. Okay, now since we're dealing with paper 1, we're not going to use any calculators. So let's start. 1a, 0.45 as a fraction. So if we want to change 0.45 into a fraction, we need to know that this is currently in decimal. So whenever we want to change to a fraction, we have to move this decimal point with the count 1 and 2. So there's 2. We need to move the decimal places by 2, so which means we have 45 over 100. So 2 movements means 2 zeros. Okay, now we've managed to change this into a fraction, but it's not in its lowest term. So we need to divide these two by 5 because they're both divisible by 5. So we have 9 over 20. Okay, now it looks like this is our limit. We cannot divide any of these two by the same number, so therefore this would be our fraction in the lowest term. Now moving on to part B, we want to write these fractions in order of size starting with the smallest. So the problem right now is that all of the denominators are not the same, so we cannot say 4 is smaller than 7, 7 is smaller than 17. What we're going to do here is we are going to make all of these into the same denominator. So the largest that we can see is 20, and we can get 5 to 20 and also 10 to 20. So I multiply this by 4. I'll multiply the second fraction by 2. So below I'll write the new set of fractions. We'll have 16 over 20, and this is 14 over 20, and then finally 7 over 20. Now from this case we can already decide which one is the smallest and which one's the largest. Okay, so the smallest is actually 14 over 20, but we cannot write the transform number. We have to write the original number. So therefore I'm going to write 7 over 10. Then next number is going to be 16 over 20, so that's 4 over 5, and lastly is going to be 7 over 20. And that's your final answer. Okay,